Today we're unboxing all 3 of the dolls released in the Bratz and CLUELESS 30th anniversary collaboration. Okay, let's start with Cher's doll. So right away, the outfit is so faithful to the movie. We have the matching plaid blazer and the mini skirt with the wide knee-high socks and these chunky white platforms. Honestly, this is Cher's most iconic look, and seeing it on a Bratz doll just works so well. I love that Cher's second outfit is her Alaya outfit from the party scene. It's definitely another classic and memorable Cher outfit that I'm so glad that they decided to include in the set. In terms of Cher's hair and makeup, her hair is long, blonde, and really sleek. And the makeup is also very classic Bratz with the glossy lip and big eyes, but it's a little bit softer than some of the more wild Bratz lines, which definitely fits Cher's vibe for sure. Next up, we have Dion's doll. Her outfit is so cute. We've got the black and white plaid skirt, the crop jacket, and of course the oversized statement hat. If you know Dion, you know that the hat is non-negotiable, so it's such a bold accessory and they absolutely nailed it. Now for Dion's hair, of course, they included her signature braids, but I really like that they put a little half up, half down hairdo, and it really complements her hat. Now her makeup is really interesting here because they gave her frosty blue eyeshadow, and I don't believe that she actually wore this shade of eyeshadow for this look, but on the doll it really pops. Now for Dion's second look, we have her gym outfit. This monochromatic outfit is super cute, but I wonder why this was the look that they decided to go for option number 2. Only because Dion has so many looks to choose from. And last but not least, we have Amber's doll. She might not be everyone's first pick, but Amber had some of the most bold looks in Clueless, and this doll really shows it off. Her main outfit is this bold red sailor-inspired look with a matching hat. And as I mentioned before, they gave Amber's doll her bright red hair in her signature bob cut and bangs. They also finished off her look with a matching bright red lip. Amber's second outfit is the red, more burgundy actually, dress that she wears at the house party. And that's it for the Clueless Bratz dolls. Let me know what you guys thought of the dolls. I thought that Bratz did a really great job, and I can't wait for them to come out with more collabs similar to this one.